My old house had filtered water from a dedicated faucet right by the kitchen sink. It also had filtered water right on the refrigerator door. Unfortunately, we moved last year, and the new house didn't have either of these features. And the taste of the tap water just wasn't up to our standards for drinking. So we started using a Brita pitcher. That had great tasting water, but it took up valuable space in the fridge, and it was a pain to refill all the time. Plus, the filters cost $5, and they needed to be replaced every month. 3 months ago, I decided to buy a WaterDrop water filter that connects directly to the faucet under my kitchen sink. I'd never heard of this brand before, but it got great reviews online, and the refills only cost $25 a year. My house has municipal treated clean water, so I wasn't very concerned about contaminants. I was only doing this for taste. So I went with the least expensive single cartridge system. But they have lots of different solutions depending upon the quality of your water and the level of filtration you need. Now, I could have gotten a filter with a dedicated water spout like my old house, but I would have needed to hire a countertop guy to drill another hole in my granite countertop. Instead, I went with the easiest kind of water filter because it connects to the cold water line on the kitchen faucet. That way, I could just get clean, great-tasting filtered water anytime I turn on the cold water only. Now, this is perfect for us because it works for drinking, cooking, or filling the dog bowl. The filter unit has 2 ports clearly marked in and out. The hoses have little ridges that click permanently into the housing. The first step was to decide where I wanted to hang it. I wanted it out of the way, but easily accessible so I could change the cartridge every year. It came with a self-stick template that made it really easy to drill holes for the screws. Next, I turned off the water and removed the faucet hose from the cold water valve. Then I connected the in hose from the water filter to the cold water valve. And then connected the out hose from the water filter to the faucet hose. The cartridge gets inserted with a simple twist, and thankfully the hoses are long enough that I'll be able to do this every year without emptying the cabinet. The only downside is there is a slight reduction in flow from the cold water side versus the hot, because the cold is going through the filter, but it's not that bad. I've been using it for 3 months now, and the water tastes great. It's a perfect solution in my house, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.
Welcome home.
Be sure to subscribe and watch our new series, The Living Flip. Ooh.
Look.
And that has 1.25 inches.
It's the little one, that's all I know.